Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Xbox One stick drift. Stick drift is a common issue where your controller registers input even when you're not touching the joystick, leading to frustrating in-game movements. We'll start with some easy, non-invasive solutions. First, grab some compressed air and give your joystick module a good, thorough cleaning to dislodge any dust or debris that might be interfering with its sensors. After that, make sure your controller's firmware is completely up to date, as software glitches can sometimes mimic hardware problems. Next, let's dive into calibration and software adjustments. You can often resolve minor drift by recalibrating your controller using the Xbox Accessories app, available on your console or a Windows PC. This helps reset the joystick's input range. Also, many games offer dead zone settings. Try increasing these slightly, perhaps by 1 or 2 percentage points, to see if it mitigates the unwanted movement. It's also a good idea to test your controller across several different games to confirm if the drift is a consistent hardware issue or specific to one title. If the initial steps haven't fully resolved the issue, it's time for a more thorough physical cleaning. You'll want to use isopropyl alcohol, ideally with a concentration of 90% or higher, and some cotton swabs. Carefully apply a small amount of alcohol around the base of the joystick, where it meets the controller housing. Gently rotate the joystick in full circles and press it down several times to help the alcohol penetrate and clean the internal contacts. Let the controller air dry completely for at least 15 minutes before plugging it back in and testing. For persistent stick drift, you might need to consider more advanced solutions. If you're comfortable with electronics, carefully opening your controller to directly clean the internal potentiometers with contact cleaner can be very effective. However, this voids your warranty. If cleaning doesn't work, replacing the entire joystick module is another option, requiring soldering skills. As a last resort, if these methods prove too challenging or unsuccessful, purchasing a new or refurbished controller is often the most straightforward path to a drift-free gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.